You know, there comes a time in the life of any appliance when it's over. And when that time comes, you'll know. But what do you do when you have an old fridge and stove that the garbage men won't take and you don't live next to a ravine? Well, I guess if you're real good with a can opener, you could get rid of them a little bit at a time. But if you're a handyman, or even better, a handyman with a teenager, here's what you can do. Step one, take the top off the stove. Step one, take the back off the stove. Take the door off the stove. Then you remove the top and back. Because once you get the top and the back off the unit, this is no longer a stove. It's an office chair for your teenager's workstation. Got a fully reclining backrest, a place to keep his books, or her books. So hard to tell with kids these days. And here's an extra bonus, a retractable footrest. So your kid doesn't get carpal tunnel in his butt. But how's he going to know when his homework is done? Well, that's what this homework timer is for. Just set it to well done. And for extra safety and comfort, I would suggest you line the whole unit with an air mattress, because I believe there could be an exposed sharp edge or two. And I'm right. Now here's a question. Can I rig up these burners to make a red-hot reading light? You know, it's good for a teenager to sit in a stove because you want him in the hot seat. But you also want him to be cool. So this fridge becomes his computer desk. And that automatic fridge light means you don't need any of those goofy-looking desk lamps. Now, the door is kept horizontal thanks to these little chains I got from the bank. They even have pens on them. The shelves are great for holding my files. And these ice cube trays handle all your office supplies. And oh, what's that? A mouse. No wonder the cat was in there. Oh, and check this out. The ice maker makes a dandy pencil sharpener. And that's how you turn a couple of burned out appliances into a high-tech workstation. So remember, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy. Boy, this is educational. I learned something.